I'm coming there this time.
Okay. Say hi everyone.
Hi, everyone.
What do you have?
I got the candle. Is this okay? Yes.
Play for you? You sure that was inside?
Okay, no thing.
It's a volcano jelly, you see?
Okay, no jelly.
Yeah, can you see? Now let's open it up. Show everyone. Ta-da! It's a volcano jelly. Do you want to put it, make it cold first, or do you want to eat it now?
I want to eat it now.
Okay.
I don't want to make it cold because I'm freezing.
Are you freezing? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we got a knife. We got some.
Oh,
pepper
we
in
need to get it out.
here. Yeah, and some syrup.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what shall we do first.
Give me this one and this nice thing.
Okay.
Daddy,
Can you open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Open this. Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Oh, it's water.
Yeah. A lot of juice.
Juice.
Oh, sorry. A special thing. Here you go. Tissue for you. Ta-da! Ooh, be careful. Okay, now we need to put some syrup inside. It's moving.
It's water.
Yeah, it's so slippery. Okay, let me open this jam. We need to put this jam inside.
Put the jam. Jam.
This one.
Jam. This one. This jam.
Oh,
Oi.
sorry again.
Okay. You splash it on it and ate my forking.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna put the crackling candy inside. You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, you do it.
Is it?
So
Give
put
me
it inside
this
the
one.
volcano. Put it inside the volcano.
Oh, I dry splash it.
Wow,
I want to make it again.
put more. Oh, it's a volcano.
I want more.
Okay.
I want
Not
to
yet, not yet, not yet. Put
eat.
more inside. Okay, you want to pour it inside? Oops. Okay, you pour it inside. Let's see. You pour it.
It's not.
It's not coming out. Let me try it. Let me have this. Hold on.
I want to eat it.
We need to put this one. We need to put some syrup.
I want to try to eat a bit.
Jessie, hold on. Let me put some syrup inside for you. Okay. Ready?
Sure.
Jessie, like this. Volcano.
Daddy, I want to do
Okay,
it.
you do it.
It's going to make the good very proud.
You want to try some?
Yeah.
Is it sweet? Is it good? You can cut it. You can cut it. You can cut the jelly. Wow, you cut the volcano jelly.
I want to cut it.
Oh no. Is it good? How does it taste?
It's right. It is right good.
It's good? Okay, tell everyone. Goodbye now. I'm going to have my jelly.
Bye, everyone.
Look at the camera.
I have my jelly now.
You look at the camera. You did say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Camera. Here, look at the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Wave. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and channel. Say bye-bye.
Yeah.